Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, May 5th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 13.3 cents, down 0.38% with volume down 31.26%. The price is ranging from a high of 13.4 cents and the low of 13.0. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,563,801,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 8,672,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 311,078 holders, up 70. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 41.18%, number 2 is OKX with 11.03%, and number 3 Upbit with 9.11%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 206,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.